Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to take a look at this phone we bought on eBay. Let's crack it right open. Let's see what we got to work with here. The Blackberry 7130A on Alltel. As you can tell, no battery, no back, so it's going to be untested, but the water indicator looks good. All the buttons feel pretty clicky. That's always a good sign. It doesn't look too dirty. It does have a good amount of wear and tear on it, but I would say it's pretty average for a phone of this age. I think I have a battery out of one of my other phones. I could probably test it one of these times when I get my office and everything built, so I have some room to do all this stuff. But there's that, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.